Well, here we are again. It's been a while since I have been out for a hike. A few weeks, maybe a month. Of course, if I meet my upload schedule right, you won't even notice. It's a really nice day today, about 45 degrees Fahrenheit, which is what, about 7 degrees Celsius, I believe. Just saw a squirrel run by making a lot of racket. You'd almost think it was a deer. How loud that thing was being, stomping through the leaves. Oh wow! I've never been on this trail before. I've got my kind of get home bag that I keep in the car on me today. This morning I realized, I've never done the hike with that bag before. So I've got that on now. See how it carries. Just got some basic stuff in it, like a tarp, paracord, water, food. A little bit of food, like a little snack. Which I need to replace because I think it went rotten. It's just this little pack from Academy, their game winner line. Like a little, I don't know, running pack. I need to buy some property like this. But, with some flat land too. Some flat areas of it too, so I can, put a house or at least a tent or a shed. Some sort of, I don't know if it's another trail or one that this one that loops back around. And today's carry for blades is my tops. Come on, focus. Anyway, it's my Tops Bob Brotherhood of Bushcraft Fieldcraft knife. Here we go. That's today's carry. I've actually used this blade a few times. A decent number of times. Cut myself on it once while cleaning it up. I was cleaning the the, I don't want to call it rust on it, but maybe the patina, I guess, because it wasn't quite rusted yet, but it was starting to form a couple spots. You know, I was cleaning those off with a rust eraser, looked up for a second, slipped, and got my finger. So I was in I was at fault in two ways. First off, I wasn't using the rust eraser from the correct side to not do that, but also I allowed something to catch my attention. I replaced the sheath with a leather sheath that I found that actually just happened to fit perfectly. I'd show you that, but it's on my belt, and I don't want to take off my belt right now. The craziest thing about that knife, though, it's what they call the Shango notch at the very end. It's supposed to be used on a fire scraper. Some people can do it, some people can't. I can't figure that darn thing out. So I just made part of the spine 90 degrees so I can strike with the spine. Dead tree holler. Well, guess I need to keep an eye out for dead trees then. Just glad I'm off that gravel now. Oops. There's another split off. Looks like that's the loop back around. And a couple resting stools. This is supposed to be a shorter trail, about 3 miles. Which I guess that's good since I haven't hiked in like a month. I mean, either I've had things to do or it's been raining, so I'm like, oh, those trails are just gonna be terrible. Oh, wow. It's a good sized tree right there. I don't know why, but it reminds me of the trees from Lord of the Rings and in Warcraft. These giant trees that come alive. Just, I don't know, being a nerd. Yeah, I'm not going down there. Guess I need to keep an eye out. Guess I need to keep an eye out for deer. At first I thought it said something else. I didn't think it said ruts. So yeah, I guess there's a more difficult trail that forks off of this one, but not out to do that one today. Maybe another time. It's been pretty nice out. Seen a few other hikers already. I guess I reached the end, so it's just time to go back. Golly, do I really need that big of a warning?